Vanessa back again with another video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys doing great. As you can tell from the title down below, today I am doing a unboxing, and also at the same time I'll be doing an assembly of this overhead phone mount kit, which comes with a ring light. I actually got this for Christmas, so he said why not do an unboxing. You know, there's definitely someone that will find this video handy, that will definitely would like to see, you know, they may be interested in this type of equipment. So I said why not do a video. Also, if you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Especially, we do a lot of mommy and me, a lot of challenges, lots of vlogs, cookings, so a little bit of everything. So if you're interested in those type of videos, hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new, welcome back to another video. So let's get into this. This is pretty much straightforward. The instructions are pretty much on the back, so it doesn't seem too complex. The instructions are in the back right here. But yeah, let's get into it and see how this is. Case is in the back watching his show. You may hear him in the back there. So this is how, oh, the ring is in the back right there. Oh, it's empty, nothing else inside. I'm gonna put that on the side right there. So as soon as you take out the box, the first thing you see is the ring light. It comes in this plastic, and the ring light has attached the cord with like a remote control with the on and off buttons. It also has, not too sure what the plus and minuses are yet. There's also like a little symbol that looks like a recycle. I'll get into that after. I'm not too sure what that is. Next, you have, it looks as such. So you have, what is this? All the little accessories to mount it to the table. Got the long one here. And what is this? You got this little piece right here. So what I'm looking for is the instruction manual. I guess it's all in the back here, as I mentioned. So first things first, number one, you got the small little piece, which is A and B is this little piece right here. Technically you're supposed to attach it to this. Let's just see how this goes. Alright. What is this piece for here? So I'm going to assemble it for you guys. Like I said, it shouldn't be too complicated, but let's see. Sometimes these instructions are straightforward. Other times they make it so difficult when they could just simplify it. Alright, so I'm going to put it right here. I don't know why this piece looks so different from the piece here, like number one. It looks really different. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going with this one anyways to see if I'm on the right track anyways. Like that. Alright, so here it goes. as you guys know, I have an iPhone 15 that I unboxed, I believe it was last month or 2 months back. So if you missed that video, you can go check it out if you're interested. So that is the reason why this will come in handy for me, because I could actually connect it to my phone. So wait. So I believe it goes like this. Something as such. Let's see here. There we go. Getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. Okay. All right. Getting somewhere. Okay, next up we have is, what piece is this? This piece here. This piece goes like this, I believe. Jeez. They do. Okay. Now how do you do this? There we go. Okay, we're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. Okay, so now I'm on step number 4, which is this piece right here. Let's take that off. Let's take that off. Let's take that off. Let's take that off. We got a snowstorm right now outside, guys. As I'm doing this, I'm looking outside and I see it snowing like crazy since last night. Okay. So next thing we got, I'm supposed to put this where exactly? A, B. How does this attach? Does it go as such? Okay, I believe it goes as such, maybe. Yeah, got it. You know, I love unboxing and just assembling it. This is so much fun. All right. Oops. What did they do? All right, let's go. Getting somewhere. Getting somewhere, as you guys can see how it looks so far. All right, and the last but not least is this little piece. You got the ring light. Let me see. Oh no. I gotta unscrew the other part. I put it upside down. Upside down. It's the other way around. Alright, there we go.
I see, okay. So the actual little piece here I was supposed to take off, and I kept it on. That was preventing it from screwing. So I have to take it off and attach it at the bottom right here. Once I stick it in, then I'm supposed to attach at the bottom. And that's how it's supposed to hold. There we go. Now we're talking business. Okay, on to the next final step is the headlight. There we go. Back up the camera for you guys just a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Okay, there we go. Alright, see? As such, there we go. Now, to give you guys a little bit more of a view, I'm gonna stick my phone in. As such. There we go. And there you got it. This whole video is just to unbox it, assemble it for you guys. I may do a review. I may do a video reviewing it once I figure out how it works and everything like that, all that good stuff, of course. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see a review on it, comment down below. I'll use it first and figure it out, and so I can have some good review about it. And yeah, I'll give you my final input on what I feel like, how useful it is, and the quality and so forth, and just my feedback, you know. So with that being said, guys, like we say in every video, it's the end of the video. Peace, love, and unity. VB troops all the way.